Incoming device is a Samsung S8, black in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Fingerprint sensor does not appear to have any deep scratches or cracks on it. The back glass doesn't appear to have any cracks on it. Taking a look at the bottom of the device, it does look like the headphone jack is round and the charging port is fitting snug, allowing for incoming charge current of 1.7 amperes. Power button, volume buttons, and Bixby button all give smooth feedback. Take a look at the camera. Front camera's working. Rear camera's working. And the main reason why the customer's bringing the device is there is a crack on the lower left-hand quadrant of the device, but it does pass a 6-point random digitizer test, 75% AT&T device. We'll go ahead and take a look at the parts cost and see how much